Minister, we have 114 staff in the National Transport Agency getting paid an average of $73,000, and we have 148 staff, by your own admission, being paid $140,000, twice the price. I mean, this is the organisation that we charge with looking after public transport, looking after major schemes, and we're throwing good money after bad. Minister, earlier we were talking about the commute misery out to Fingal. You actually said, and I quote, "Public transport has become a great success." I mean, what universe are you in to think that? Back here on Earth, people see the reality of the commute misery every day, while we double the price for external consultants, while paying arguably a pittance to some of our own staff, and the situation continues to get worse. You just don't seem to get it. You don't get the public transport misery and nightmare that we have while throwing good money after bad. So, Minister, what are we going to do to take control of your department, to get control and get with the fact that we cannot be wasting money in this fashion?